welcome back to another vlog. Excuse me. We are cooking Kamoye rice. See what I did here. If it's my children, I will now shout. Then now I should shout to myself, yes, I did wrong. Why I put this rice there is because whenever I tell my children to measure rice, maybe for instance today I told them to measure 6 cups of rice, and tell me, is this 6 cups in your eye or is it lesser? Let me know, because my children, their 6 cups is 12 cups done that way. 6 cups. So we are cooking Kamoye rice this night with can you bring that fish? You start with the battery attacking. Shift back. You see this vlog, I'm not going to edit anything. Anyhow you record it, that is how I'm posting it. That is how I'm posting it. Video. That's how to give me everything. Go, let me see here. This is realistic. No editing, no cutting. I pray let this generator sound not be much, so that I can post the video like that without editing it, so that you will see behind the scene of my video. You understand? I just want to post it raw, real, everything.
And this also.
Did you find that fish?
Yes.
I want to watch it. Give me Bruno. Is there onion?
So I don't know.
Treasure! It's like these guys at the shop. Let me come and sit here for me. I pour rice. We'll pan this we'll pan this this place is neat. So start from that side. You can shift back. Shift back. Start back. Oh yeah, you start from that side and see. See this place I came here. So guys, this night I have not closed from shop. I just said let me come and cook this food. It's late. This should be to 8 and 8 o'clock. It become closed. I mean either 8 or to 8. You understand? And hobbies at the shop. This is palm oil rice. My kids just prepared everything. Boil the rice, then I just came here to put everything together. I wish we have safely to add to it. So that after sleeping, pan this thing together with that fish. This burger fish. Close. There's pack outside. Pack is outside. And I collect it, wash it and clean it. Together with that pepper. Go and help him and do his assignment. Not you. It's comes and talking. Who can decide this? Treasure, come and collect this thing from her. I say anything I'm doing with displace that news and record it. See the big pants together with what happened. Buy a minute. Pause. I'll do pause it. I'll restart. Put her in the cycle. Make sure you're still in the cycle. Snap. Have you snap?
Yes.
Buy a minute. Buy a mother. This thing is strong.
Auntie used to find out. So guys, as we wait for Naima, oh wow, another shop. People should be always owning this light. So I gave you this to come plug. So as we wait, I don't even know that this thing is still recording. As we wait for our food to be ready, let me just go to the shop and stay a little for my English. You see, any borrowed language can disgrace you at any time. So as I wait for the food to be ready, let me just, my husband is in my shop. He just came back and I begged him, I pleaded with him to just stay for me. Let me just come and mix everything together so that we can eat this night. So let me just go there and pack my market and we'll enter inside. That is all. So see you at the dining. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then give us a big thumbs up. Drop a nice comment for more, you understand? And I will see you when we are eating. If you did not see me when we are eating, don't be offended, you understand? Because anything can happen at any time. See you. I love you guys. Bye.